Welcome to SERV's Guide to Drive-In, an ideal feature for when you want to explore workshops near you in a faster and more convenient way. We'll also be showing you how you can easily pay for your services with Touch and Go eWallet. To start off, select the Drive-In icon on the main page. Click Service and Repair, and proceed to choose the vehicle you wish to service. You are able to browse through a list of workshops registered with SERV that are sorted by the nearest distance. Or, if you're familiar with a certain workshop, you can simply type it into the search bar. There are many features you can explore on the workshop's profile, such as viewing the workshop's details, reading through customer ratings, booking an appointment ahead of time, calling the workshop directly, navigating to their location, and even scanning their QR code at the workshop once you're ready for service. When you're set on your preferred workshop, you can now either drive into the workshop directly or start booking your service on the app. Of course, you'll need to let them know what you need serviced, and you can also add additional notes relevant to your services if needed. You can now choose your preferred date and time for your service, which is great for planning your schedule ahead of time. Here's a chance for you to review your booking details before submitting your appointment to the workshop. Once you've submitted your appointment, you can set a reminder to drive into your preferred workshop. On the day of service, the mechanic will take a quick look at your vehicle before settling on the quotation that you can still either accept or decline. If the price seems reasonable for you, the mechanic will then begin the service, to which you can view the estimated time of service and come back when it's done. When the service is complete, you will have multiple contactless payment options to choose from. Today, we'll be paying for our service using Touch and Go eWallet. And now your service is complete without any contact. Don't forget to leave a rating to let others know about your experience at this workshop. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to pay for your next service with Touch and Go eWallet to enjoy up to 15 ringgit cashbacks. Download the SERV app today and allow us to serve you. Available on both the Apple App Store and Google Play Store now.